anyway, our course today, our topic today is easy. We will talk about LINQ or LINQ, language integrated query. How to create query.
And access to SQL.
No, not SQL. Yeah, it's similar to SQL. Okay, it's similar to SQL. But here, okay, for any collections, for list, okay, for linked list. There's syntax, okay, syntax to create any query. It's simple, but I need to show you how to create. slides. That's a really problem. Okay, I found it. This is our okay code. Copy. Paste. Okay, guys, what is the LINQ? Okay, LINQ, guys, it's a mechanism how to collect data or how to collect specific data from list of from collections. Okay, whatever list or anything. Okay, any collections. This just query are usually expressed to specialized query language. So you can create any query you want with a specific syntax. Okay. Now language integrated the query LINQ integrated the query syntax inside the C# programming language, making it possible to access any different data source with the same syntax. Okay, with the same syntax. There are two syntax. Okay, one is query syntax and method syntax. I will show you examples, different examples how to use the both syntax. This is the LINQ architecture. We can use this syntax. We can use this link with different data types. Okay, whatever primitive data types or reference data type like classes or objects or whatever. So let me start by examples to understand what I mean. By coding. Okay, now using any Visual Studio Code, we need to go back to the console.application console. Okay, create a new project. Okay. Okay, guys, console app. Okay, we will use in this to implement link. Okay, we need to use the console application platforms. So use console.net framework. This is my we are currently in week 0, 10. Okay, example 1. Now let me create any collection. Okay, for example, int array equal 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, create a query for to retrieve any data, okay, multiply 4. This example, okay. This is an example. Now, to create any query, guys, we need the var keyword, okay, var keyword, okay, query 1. Now, to start, okay, to write a query, we need a keyword from, okay, from value. I think value is keyword, so I need, okay, to change it to v. In what? Okay, in int r. Okay, in int r. Now, without any condition, okay, without any condition, to show you how we can create a query. Okay, select what? Select v. This is, okay, this is the query. Now this query will retrieve any number, any value within my, okay, within my array. So if you create for each, okay, var v in, okay, my query or the query 1, okay, just to print this console.write line, print v. Now this query, okay, will retrieve all array members, all array items, okay, all array items. Let me run the code and see the result. Now print, okay, all items, all array items. This is the query. Console.write. Now console.write. So this query will retrieve all items. Okay. So now console.write line, control copy, control v, okay, just separate between my queries. Okay, this is query 1. Okay, query 1. Okay, print plus okay, retrieve all items from now I need to order, already ordered, okay, but let me, okay, make some swap between numbers, 33, 75, 88. I can order all items, okay, by using keyword ordered by, okay, ordered by value or v, order v, order v. So this is the structure, okay. The structure, okay, the default structure, Control X, the default structure like this, okay, from v, okay, in what, in the collection, okay. The structure is from keyword value in collection okay select keyword value. This is the structure, the default or the basic structure of the query. Okay. From value in collection, select value. Okay. This is the query 1. Now the query 2, control copy. I need to order, okay, the values. Query 2. Query 2. Okay, query. Now order by V. Okay, will order this word, okay, this word will order the retrieve, okay, the retrieved collection, okay, from low value or no, from, I think from, let me see, from high value to low value, okay, descending order. Yes, from low value to high value. Okay, so this is the query 2. Query 3. Control copy. From query 2, query 3. How we can create condition? Okay, how we can create condition? I need to create condition like a SQL statement by using where keyword. Okay, in here. Okay, in integer array where. Okay, where what? Where value v. Okay, mod 4 equal what? Equal 0. So this statement will retrieve, okay, any item, okay, divided by or multiple of 4. Okay, now run the code. So this is the query number 3. You see, retrieve 4 items. All of the items, okay, multiple of 4. So this is the query 3. Now guys, we have 2 syntax, okay, to create any query. So those is a query syntax. Now I can create method syntax, okay, var query 4. Now int array, okay, int array dot select. Let me start, okay, by the first. Okay, let me convert this one, okay, to method syntax. So int array dot, okay, select v, the lambda operator, okay, v. This query, okay, it's similar to what? To query number 1, query 4, but using what? Using method syntax. Okay, print this query, control copy, control V. Now query 4. var query 5. Query 5, I want to create query similar to query 2 by method syntax. The same int array, okay, dot select, okay, v dot order by ordered by okay v the same lambda expression query 4 okay copy query 5 query 5 okay now let me see yes if you look to the screen guys you see query 2 okay similar to query 1 query 5 has this similar functionality of the query 2 now query 3 this is query 3 retrieve any value from array where this value multiple of 4 and also I need to order okay the retrieve values. Now guys here var query 6 equal int array dot select where the selected value is v dot okay dot where what v lambda expression where v mod 4 equal 0 dot okay order by v. Order v, I'm sorry, don't forget the lambda expression, okay, or any method syntax. Cont query number 6. The same result. Now, okay, guys. Now, just for arrays and this, no, we can create okay queries for list of objects. Okay, list of objects. Let me create class here. This class, okay, public class. Okay, public class student. Public class student. Now public int ID or int student. Student ID set and get value control copy I need for properties for students. Okay, now the first one the integer student ID, now string student name student name string or int student age and string country. String country. create list of student. Students dot add equal new. Control copy before dot be okay. I already have a list. Control the name of method students is capital. Student is capital. Now the name student list. Okay. Now the age is integer, yes. Okay, change the value. Can I make comparing between the objects? Now you see in the query, okay, there is aware functions, there is also order function, okay. How I can make, no, let me ask, can I make a comparing between multiple objects? Yes. Any answer? The answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Your answer correct. Okay. But in this case, I cannot. Where I can make a comparing between objects. Now the objects is, what is the data type of object? Or what? Yeah, what is the data type of objects? I'm talking about the class name. Okay. I'm talking about the object. What is the type of object?
So you're talking about maybe list versus array, that kind of
Okay,
comparison?
no. This is not my question. My question, the object is something in the programming. Object is something in the programming. Is something in data, let me say, something of data types, okay? You remember we have two, okay, categories of data types, right? The first one what?
Generic versus.
No. Generic is different story.
You mean reference versus value?
Yes, thank you. We have reference data type and the primitive data type. Now, how we can, in this case, okay, I cannot, okay, make a comparing between reference data type. Why? Because the reference data type, guys, when you declare any object, whatever, from a class, instance from a class, or from a string, okay, or from array, okay, actually we declare, refer to the location, address location in the physical memory. Okay, the physical memory, the physical address memory, okay, there is no two physical address, okay, same. Absolutely no. So how we can make comparing? We can make comparing just if you remember, okay? If I implement, yes, the I compare. If you remember, I compare reference. I compare interface. I compare. I think the name I compare. There is a method called compare. Okay, called compare. If you remember this example, you remember when the example max and min, a type of constraints in the week number, I think in the week 2, type of constraints. When you make comparing between the first between the objects and the second between the arrays and the third method between the integers value. I'm sure you will find this example with my slides. So in this case you can make comparing between objects, but in my case here I cannot make comparing between objects. I cannot. So if I need to use, if I need to use where or order by or what's the method? Where function or order by function, I need to use not the object, the attribute of the object. Okay, the make comparing for the attribute of the object. So I query, or query here. Okay, if you want to type or write your query, okay, you need to make comparing between, not between objects, between the attributes of object. Okay, the attributes of objects. So this example, okay, let me create a query var, okay, stu query. Now I need to retrieve, okay, the students who are living in the USA, for example. So the same, start from the name of object stu, okay, in what? In my list. What is my list name? Student list. Where the condition stu dot, okay, country equal USA. Okay, select stu now var for each var s in stu query. Console.write line, s, guys, s represent the student, the object, okay, the student. S dot, okay, and student name plus s dot country. Just to check my query is working very well or not. Okay, because my query asking to retrieve any students who are living, okay, in USA. Now run the code and see. Console.write line. Okay, retrieve the names for the students who are living USA. I can create syntax, I can create a query using method syntax with objects. Actually, yes, I can. So the var stu query 2. How we can compare this query from query syntax to method syntax. Student list dot select S operator, okay, where STU, okay, it's better, just STU where STU dot country equal okay USA. Also I can, okay guys, use order here. Order by, we have two integers value, okay? Or I can make it order by string value. But order by STU dot age. Okay, now for each control copy STU from query 2 just to separate the printing output. Control copy, control V. Now run that code. Okay. You see the order of the names is different because the first query without any order, the second query I order the list or the query based on what? Based on the student age. Okay. Now this function I can use it at any query, okay? Dot take. The take method or take function, okay, take one parameter, this parameter is integer, okay. What the name of take method, okay, so retrieve from this query, okay, the first three elements, okay, the first three elements. If you run the code again, you see, just retrieve the first element, the first three elements, okay.
So the take, does that happen after?
After,
or before?
yeah, after, no, after. After the query. This is your query. Okay, how we can apply the take in the query syntax like this? Okay, autonomy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look to this query. How we can take it's not just for the method syntax. Okay, I can use it with query syntax, but I need to put my query within practice. Then dot take. Okay, take 2 for example. Now run the code. You see the first 2 elements. Now the grouping, how we can use query, or within query make a grouping. Okay, for example, you see the list. I need the students. I need to group the students based on the country. Based on the country. Now the syntax of a grouping. Okay, just you need to create, you need to use a group keyword. How we can create a grouping. Now grouping, guys, make a sub, okay, categories, a sub categories within from my query. Okay, I create a query. Now I need to divide my query to subcategories. Okay, the syntax is var. Okay, so this syntax, I need to retrieve, I need to collect the students to list of groups. Okay, not list of items, list of groups based on something. Okay, in this example, I need to list my students based on the country, their country. Okay, now var query 3 equal what? Student. Let me buy the first. Let me buy a query syntax. Okay, stu in student list. Okay, now here a group based on what? Group stu by stu dot country. Now query 3, guys, okay, includes a list of groups, not list of items. List of groups. Okay, how we can now I need how I can print, okay, those groups. Each group has key. Okay, now let me start by for each var g in hello. Hi, good evening. I'm good, thank you. Yeah. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm busy now, please. Okay, I'm sorry.
Telemarketer?
Cleaning services.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, usually I receive between 2-3 calls per day. Okay, guys. Now, yes, var g in what? In query 3. Now, console.writeLine g.key. So here the output. What is the output now? Huh?
Giving us the country names?
Yeah, the country names. Yeah, the country names. Okay. Now run. That's the error. I have error over here.
Yeah, you have 2 query 3s.
var g in query 3. Yes, this is query.
No, like there's more. There's another query 3.
Just get like in this.
Yeah. There is yeah, another
There's a new
query 3. Yeah.
declaration.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, stu query 3. Now stu. Yes, the names of countries. Okay. Now to print the items based on what? Based on the names, based on the key. Okay, based on the name of countries. Okay, let me just separate the names. Control V. Here, Control V. Now for each. Okay, var or not var. I'm sorry. Student. S N G. Okay, S N G. Console.writeLine. S dot okay dot name student. So separate the names based on the countries. Okay. Now run the code. Okay, you see guys. The first country USA, those names from USA, India, okay, there is those names, okay, from USA, from India, okay, Canada, those names from Canada, and so on, from Jordan, this name, from Australia, this name, okay. Assignment 3, you did alone, right?
Yeah. But there are a lot of tutorials.
Yeah. But you did very well.
You will have to attach this assignment to the next one with the database. Which is the same assignment?
The same? I'm sorry?
For the next assignment, we have database.
I'm not sure. I didn't review the assignments. You are talking about the next assignments.
Yeah.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Okay, but I think yeah, maybe in this topic, SQL. I mean, what's your recall number?
3, right? Or we group 2. I think we're group 2.
After the break, I will show you your scores.
Isn't it there?
Hmm?
It's not there?
No, I already marks you. Okay,
Oh.
but I did not submit the scores.
Oh, okay.
David, right? Kevin? Hi. Well, that's. Lincoln, yes, I received email from you. Okay, I will show you the scores. final project. Final project is the same assignment, okay, but individual.
So the final test will be like, midterm, where you just do a project?
Yes, yeah. Be careful, there is no extension. Because I will post it in the final week, the last week, I'm sorry, the week 14. Now, you got a full mark, I think. So, let me check.
That assignment wasn't easy.
Okay. If you give me your permission, I can see your marks here if you want. Okay, if not, I will remove the cable. Okay, so your section 006. Assignment number 3. There's submission, there's still one. Okay. Lincoln, you submitted the assignment, the last assignment.
Yeah.
Assignment 3. Tonoy, no.
I'm kind of behind in the courses as well. It's kind of hard for me to juggle. It's been kind of hard for me to juggle all of it at once. I will try my best to do this.
Group number 3. Let me remove the cable, okay? Group number 3. Yes. Come to here, Alex.
We are group 2.
Group 2 or group 3?
We're group 2. I saw my name. Yep.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Thank you.
Kevin, what's your group?
I'm not sure of the group number, I just know the name.
You submitted the group, the site, yeah, Kevin.
Kevin?
Yes.
Are you working alone? No, I have 2 group members.
Yeah. Also, come to anybody make a great work.
I'm honored. Thank you.
Lincoln, what's your group number?
I don't know.
Okay. You submitted the assignment?
Yes, sir.
Control up.
I saw an assignment to do the house.
Can you come to here?
Yes, sir. Because you asked me to get it.
Yes. Okay, you did very well, but there is no bill, okay, show in the forms. In the forms, this form, okay?
Okay, sir.
There is no, okay, but anyway, your score is very good.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. And also, assignment number 2. Yeah, you told me. You make it here.
Assignment number 2.
Yeah, I sent it to you. I think it was the delegate.
Yes. Assignment number 2, you submitted us?
Yeah, I emailed it to you.
Email the assignment itself?
Yes, sir. Yeah, can you ask me?
I don't know. But let me see.
Yeah.
actually I don't know, but you know I receive many emails. Okay,
Yes.
per day. So this one. Lincoln with Wilson.
Yeah, Wilson, yeah.
I'll let you stress it.
Because I seen that that's an even waiting to.
Yeah, I received many emails from you. Lab 3, lab 3. Okay, this one for what? Okay. No. You didn't. You didn't send for me attached file. Okay, you sent for me attached file. You sent for me. I mean, you sent for me the lab 2 as attached.
I think I said it attached.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like how Lucy structured this course is, we're here actually learning stuff. The advanced business communication class that I have at Marks really, there's just so much unnecessary stuff to do. And not only that, Marks really strict. It's always English classes.
Is that in person?
No.
Oh, okay.
I get it. The English classes and English professors, they realize they're not really teaching us acquired skills, so they tend to take their stuff a little too seriously.
Okay, guys. Now, now the same query. This is my query. Okay, the same query. Also, I can, guys, make order. Okay, make order for this query. Order group STU student slide group. Now to use order, I need to use the keyword. It's this keyword into yeah. This is a group. Okay. Now STU guy. Okay. Now I need to use into. Okay. E group. Now order by okay group order by E group. Okay, order by E group. Put key to use the order within the groups. Okay, I need this keyword into E group order E group by key. Okay, then select E group.
What is this E group thing?
Again, now to use order by. Okay, to use order by, you need. Okay, now okay, I created a query. And those queries or list of queries or let me list of for groups. Okay, within the query student query 3. Okay, but to access to use order, I need to access okay those query. So I named them by what? By E group. Into group, I named them by E group. Okay. Then to order them by the same name, then select them after order them. Okay. It's clear from this statement to here. Okay, just to name them. Okay, to access them. How I can access the categories? Okay, or the list within my query. I have here how many countries I have? I have 1, 2, 3,
Australia.
five lists. To access them, okay, I need to name them. So into E group, that means I named them, okay, by E group. Okay, then order them, okay, by E group dot key, select E group. Okay? Is it clear?
E-group.key.
E group dot key, that means the name, okay? Dot key, okay, the name of countries. The name of countries.
So it takes the key from the original.
Yes.
Okay.
Now let me run. The same result, but what? Okay, but by order. You see, Australia the first, Canada the second, okay, India the third country, Jordan the fourth, USA the last. So I order the list, okay, based on the group key. Now, how we can create groups, okay, but using what? Lambda expression, okay, method syntax, okay, var stu query for okay, now student list list dot
Select.
group by for this statement. Let me remove this statement without any order. Okay. I need to convert this statement or this query to lambda expression. Okay, group by stu stu dot student country. Okay, now make the same loop, control query, but query for query number 4. Okay, the same, but using lambda expression. Now I need to sort I need to create a query. This query, the same, group by the students' country, with order the groups and the student names. And the students, yeah, I need the groups named, okay, the group names ordered alphabetically. Also the student's name within this group, within the same group, okay, ordered also alphabetically, okay, or by age. Okay, how we can do that? Now again, var stu query 5 equal what? This is statement. Control copy, Control V, remove the comment. Now now okay, I order the groups. Okay. Now I need to group what? Group the names of the students within each group. Okay, within each group. I can enter. Control Z. I'm sorry. Select a new. Okay. Select a new. Select what? Key equal what? E group dot key e group dot key. Okay, where this stu2 equal e group dot order by s dot age or any as name. Okay. This query order the group names. Okay, order the group names. Let me see this key equals key. I think it's not important. Let me see. Order the e groups based on what? An e group dot key. Also within the group, okay, I need to order the students based on what? The student name. Okay, based on the student name. Now make for each loop, control copy. Control copy. Control V. Query 5. So the name, so the output will be start from Australia, Canada, okay, India, Jordan, USA. Now within each group, okay, the names, okay, ordered by the student names. Okay, I think.
Lowercase, okay,
Okay, should be small.
yeah,
This one.
yeah. commented it out.
Let me just 1 more second, please. I think dot T. Okay, I need it. Okay, so key. I need it here. Let me check. Dot key.
You're still, go back to line 70.
Yes. It's work. Now to access this statement, okay, to access the group key. We can name anything, I think. G and G. Capital and G capital. Now the output again, control KC. Okay, now from STU, from student list, group those the retrieve items based on what? Okay, based on the STU country. Into what? Into E group. So the retrieved will store, okay, within E group. Okay, now order the E group based on what? E group dot key. Okay, the name of the E group. Now select what? Select, okay, that's mean I store the E group key, okay, within G capital. Now students 2 E group dot order, okay, the students based on the student's name. Okay. Now should be the output should be what's the error?
I got that.
Yeah.
You see?
Each statement cannot operate on variables of type.
For each.
So anonymous types.
Okay, G capital. Or G dot capital. No. For the students. Okay, now to here, okay, it's correct. Okay. Good. Now var is var student S in E group. No, not E group.
In STU2,
I think no. I think the G capital dot okay STU2. Yes. I already stored the key, the group okay key in G capital. Okay. Now store okay the list of students within STU2. Now to import or to call the STU2, I need to use the G, this G, okay, and call what? Call the STU2. Now I have two lists now, okay? I have two lists. Yes, the result is correct. But let me explain the code again. From student, again, from STU, okay, students list, group, the retrieved into what? Into based on STU.country, okay, into what? Into E group. Then order E group key based on E group key, okay, based on the name of countries. Now select what? Okay, select, okay, save the key, the E group key into G capital, okay, G capital. Now from E group, okay, store what? Store the students, okay, based on the name within STU2, okay, I order the names, okay, and save the result within STU2, okay. But let me see, this is not important, okay. G dot what? Dot key
Yeah.
should work. Dot key. Why ignore the key after? So maybe because yeah, I need this statement. Okay, because here I lost the key. So I need this statement. G E group dot key. So group G, you see, when I type G, okay, I find the G capital. Now here, okay, I make looping from groups through the groups within my query. Okay, I make looping within my query. Now to access the G, okay, or to access the key, I need this statement. Okay, but again, I think I found the key. Yes, yeah, the key. Now for each student, as in this list, okay, now this is list, okay, collection. This is collection, STU2, okay, includes what? Includes the name, ordered name, for each group, okay? Now the names of country, order, also the names of students within each group, or within each group, also order. Okay, you see, Colony, Nedved, Ram, Rob, okay, Herb, Ron, Steve. Just I have one name here. Herb, Bill, Bob, Chris, John, and Nedved. Guys, to here is enough. Because also I stopped here with another section. I always looking to the work parallel. So anybody have a question?
What chapter in the textbook is this?
This file? Yeah, this is my file. But anyway, I will after each topic, after complete each topic, I submitted my files and examples. Okay? At the Centennial. Yeah. Okay, guys. Anybody have a question? Thank you. Do you mind if I make our next class online? Monday?
Sure.
No, that's actually better.
Huh?
It's better, it's Monday, right?
Yeah. So our class Monday